Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Xbox wallet. Xbox doesn't allow a direct transfer from PayPal into the wallet, but you can use PayPal as a payment method to add funds. Start by signing in to your Microsoft account on your Xbox console or through the Microsoft website. Go to the store, then select the option to add money or buy gift cards for your Xbox balance. Choose the amount you want to add, like $10, $25, or $50. When you reach the payment screen, select PayPal as your payment option. If you haven't linked PayPal yet, you'll be asked to log in with your PayPal email and password and confirm your funding source. Once linked, you just need to confirm the transaction. As soon as the purchase is completed, the funds will appear in your Xbox wallet balance instantly. You can now use this balance to buy games, add-ons, subscriptions like Xbox Game Pass, or any digital content available in the Microsoft Store. So while you can't directly send money into Xbox Wallet from PayPal, using PayPal at checkout is the fastest and official way to load your balance. Subscribe the channel for more videos.